Hi, I'm Josh Cook and I'm here with Euro Car Parts, and I thought we'd go through some of my emergency kit product picks. So obviously if you're on the road, you've got a bit of a breakdown, main thing to have is obviously a high vis. If the light is low, you want to make sure that you can be seen on the side of the road. A warning triangle, just to make sure that if you are working on the car or you are around it, you're in a bit of a safe space and people know that there's somebody there. Next thing, if you are sort of trying to attend to an issue, having a toolkit like this, it'll have all the basic tools in it that you need, screwdrivers, spanners, sockets, things like that. If you've got to tend to a puncture, it is good to have these two items. You've got a tyre plug kit, allow you to plug anything. If you had a nail or a screw go through the tyre, you can do that at roadside, and then you can re-inflate the tyre with one of these tyre inflator kits. Always good to have a fire extinguisher on board. If you've got any issues, you want to be able to put a small fire out quickly and make sure that it doesn't spread, cause any more issues. And then finally, a good thing to have is a first aid kit. You never know, you might need it, so it's good to have one on board.